Welcome to my class, dear students. Do you remember that last time we were seeing the future tense? Okay, what are we going to do is that this time we are going to add a little bit to this class. We are going to have the future time clauses. I invite Lisa, who is going to be our coach. Please pay attention to her.
Hi there. Today's lesson is about future time clauses. My friend Claire is nervous. She's going to go to a job interview tomorrow morning. Before she goes to her interview, she's going to practice some common interview questions. After she finishes, we're going to have lunch. I hope she gets the job. She'll call me as soon as she knows. Future time clauses show the time order between two events in the future. Both events happen in the future, but the verb in the time clause is in the present. The verb in the main clause is in the future. For example, after she finishes, we're going to have lunch. Or, she'll call me as soon as she knows. The time clause can come at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. For example, after she finishes, we're going to have lunch. Or, we're going to have lunch after she finishes. Both sentences mean the same thing. The position does not change the meaning. If the time clause comes at the beginning of a sentence, use a comma after the clause. If the time clause comes at the end, do not use a comma. Be careful. Do not use be going to or will in a future time clause. Say, after she finishes, we're going to have lunch. Not, or, future time clauses begin with time expressions that show the order of events. When, after, and as soon as introduce the first event. For example, Claire and I will have lunch after she finishes her job interview. First, she will finish her interview. Second, we will have lunch. Before introduces the second event. For example, Claire is going to practice before she goes to her interview. First, she will practice. Second, she will go to her interview. Until means only up to the time of the second event. For example, Claire will be nervous until her interview is over. First, she will be nervous. Second, her interview will be over and she will no longer be nervous. While means that an event happens at the same time as another event. You can use either the simple present or the present progressive with an action verb after while. You can say, while Claire waits for her interview, she will review her notes. Or, while Claire is waiting for her interview, she will review her notes. That's all for now. I'll see you again after you finish this unit.
Okay, now what I am going to do is to present the following chart, which you can find it in your books. Okay, now what are we going to do is that we are going to see some examples to practice at home. Okay, here they are the examples, and I want you to practice this at home. All the answers are in the squares, so you can see it, you can read the sentence, and then you can see why the answer is like that. Okay, I hope that this help you, and I want to see you next time. Bye bye.